Welcome back, Poker Warriors. Shit funny, don't you? You really think that shit funny? Oh, it dropped me somewhere else. Let me close that down. But I always got some shit up. Posting ads. What table they got me here? Okay. 96 players left. Top 40 cash. Four players, man. 2 already eliminated. We might have one here too. He called with 10-6. What this idiot. I'm sure I'm gonna do my 6. King 6. Fold. Down to the nitty gritty. Push or don't play. That is the motto today. $1,000 too much money. Boy, you can't let me in with bullshit no more. See, everybody pushing or not playing. It's gotten to that point now. Looks like we're losing a player every 2 minutes. Damn, man. They gonna push on this hand. I might call him, man. Might be my death hand. I gotta call Prank. Oh, Prank with a push. He pushing too much. Big blind special. You got checks. 3,500. Shit. We gonna get it all in now. If you got 2 pair, you gonna play with me all the way anyway. Queen 3. Oh, they shitted me. They shitted me. They love to shit you on here, boy. That was a shit move there, boy. Damn, that was a shit move. Well, I guess we're out of that one.